Hey guys, how to change country of a Gmail account. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply open up your web browser on your PC and then just simply go to google.com. And from here, just go to your Gmail over here. And guys, make sure you are logged in into your account. And now, once you are on the Gmail, just click on settings over here on the top right and click on see all settings. And from here right away, you should be able to see here default country code. And from here guys, you'll be able to see multiple countries that you can choose from that Gmail has provided. And now just make sure to scroll down to the very bottom and click on save changes over here. And that's pretty much it. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. See ya.